Voting Theory Class 5 Video 1. In this video we're going to talk about another famous voting system. This time we're going to talk about the Borda voting system. So let's begin with the definition. So the Borda voting system, the way it works is you assign each alternative a number of points based on how the voters ranked them. And then simply enough, the alternative with the most points wins. And how exactly do you assign the points? Well, last place gets 0 points, second to last place gets 1 point, third to last place gets 2 points, and so on and so on and so on. So it doesn't matter how many alternatives are in the election, last place always gets 0, and then you add 1 for every place above last place. Okay, so let's just do a quick example. So calculate the social ranking under the Borda voting system for this voting profile right here. So the way we do it is we need to work out how many points each of these alternatives got. Okay, so let's start with A. How many points does A get? Well, personally, I find it useful to add an extra column to the table so I can keep track of how many points are assigned for each row. So in last place you get 0 points. If you come second to last you get 1, third to last you get 2, and if you come in first place you get 3 points. Okay, so how many points does A get? Well, A is going to get 3 times 3 plus how many seconds ranking did they get? So 10. So that's 10 times 2 plus, now there's 7 plus 5 times 1. And then there's nothing in the last place. So what is this nowadays? Well, this is 9 plus 20 plus 12, which is 29, 39, 41. Okay, so A got 41 points. And we're just going to do this for each of the alternatives. So B, let's do the first ranking first. So B got 7 times 3, that's 7 times 3, plus 5 times 2, plus 3 plus 10 times 1. Okay, and what is this nowadays? Well, this is equal to 21 plus 10 plus 13, which is 31, 44. C got 5 times 3 plus 3 plus 7 times 2 plus 0 times 1. Like, there's no C in this row, so you don't even need to include this last term. Okay, so what is this? This is 15 plus 20, which is 35. And lastly, let's do D. So D got 10 times 3 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 1. And you never need to do this last row because it's times by a 0. And when you times by a 0, you just get 0. So straight up just 30. So what's the social ranking? Well, you just look at these numbers right here and you put them in numerical order. Okay, so B came first with 44, then A, then C, then D. This is the social order under the Borda voting system. Okay, and that's the end of this example, and that's the end of this video.